morning, Lighthouse. Welcome to Lighthouse Live at Home Edition, today's news for tomorrow's leaders. Today is Tuesday, April 14th. I'm Sidney, and this is my co-host Trixie, my guinea pig. Today we're broadcasting you from my room. Now please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hail at the twilight's last gleaming, whose red stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watch were so gallantly streaming. And the rocket's red glare, the moon's bursting air, give proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave for the land of the free and the home of the brave. We're going to go through some of my favorite bows. First is this year's competition bow. This is one of my practice bows. This is one of my first bows that I got at one of my cheer comps. And this is a bow I got at a competition in Daytona. This is my best friend's bow. We should go. Shout out to all the Paris Elite cheerleaders that go to Rowlett. Here is Dr. Fradley and Mrs. Choate. Later I'll be demonstrating how to make an acai bowl. You won't want to miss it, but first I'll send it over to them.
Good morning, everybody, and happy Tuesday. And not only is it Tuesday, Mrs. Choate, but guess what?
What?
It's Twin Day. I'm wearing green.
Oh, I wish we planned it better.
We should have planned it
We
better.
should have planned it
I
better.
know, boys and girls, you probably have some twins that you're dressing up like. Maybe they could be friends of yours, and you guys are FaceTiming or Zooming with each other. Or maybe you're just going to dress like your home teacher today. I don't know. Or maybe you are a twin and you're dressing like a twin. What's tomorrow?
Lots of options, though. They could dress like their animal. A stuffed animal, I think, is something that we
I read
mentioned
about
last
that. That's
week,
true.
right?
Mhm.
So
Yeah, that's
anyway,
true.
tomorrow is Workout Wednesday. So wear a picture of your workout gear and show us some pictures of how you are staying active.
That's right. This is a really important time to make sure you're active and outside doing things, guys. I can't wait to see what you're doing. And Mrs. Choate, do you know we have an awesome video from one of our kids?
I heard.
Yeah. So RJ in Mrs. Sheldon's class, he was doing a part of his technology special and was e-learning assignment for a virtual tour. So he did a little video about what he learned. So let's hear from RJ about his virtual tour. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, RJ, take it away.
Hi, I'm RJ, and I'm in Miss Emmerman's class. And today I'm going to be talking about my favorite tech activity. So mine was the aquarium because it had a bunch of different fish, sea otters, sharks, everything. Birds. So I thought that was really cool. And yeah.
Boom.
All right. That was so cool. Thanks, RJ.
Great, RJ. Boys and girls, we love it when you send things into Lighthouse Live at rowlettacademy.org so we can go ahead and get it on the news. Now, I know you have an important announcement from Mrs. Colby, Mrs. Choate, but before that, yesterday, boys and girls, we read 4 different letters that I'm hoping that one of you heard that letter and are able to respond to Lighthouse Live at rowlettacademy.org and contact us with some information about how it's going at your new home classroom and maybe a joke as well. We'd love to get you up here as well. So I can't wait to hear it. So make sure you guys let us know that you heard our news. And what did Miss Colby want?
Well, Mrs. Colby has an important reminder.
Okay.
So before spring break, 3,000 library books were checked out. That means that right now at home, there are 3,000 of our library books. And she just wants to make sure that you're keeping those books safe.
Yes.
So her suggestion is, you're probably done reading them now, so let's put them back in your backpack, zip it up, and keep it safe so that when we do come back to school, you can return those books.
Oh, that's a great idea. Actually, I'm really happy that we have so many books out, boys and girls.
I am too.
Yeah, that means you have plenty of literacy at home that you can read, and but it's also something that could get lost pretty easy. It could be placed on top of it on the kitchen counter or on a desk or something. So if you're done reading it, put it in your backpack. Then if you ever want to read it again, you just know right where it is and you can take it out and read it. So great suggestion, Miss Colby. All right, guys. Well, we hope that you have a wonderful day, and we will see you tomorrow, Wednesday, which is Workout Wednesday. We might have to wear some workout clothes, Mrs. Choate.
I think that's a great idea.
Okay. All right, y'all. Have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.
Today, I'm going to teach you how to make an acai bowl for our how-to. You're going to use any blender of your choice. And I start out by adding strawberries. Also, ask your parents if you're allowed to cut up a frozen banana. Cut up your frozen banana into pieces similar to this. Add them in the blender. You should use half a banana. Next, you're gonna add in your raspberries, blueberries, and blackberries. They should also be frozen. And you're gonna do about that much of those. Run warm water over your acai packet. Add your pack. Then, once you're ready to blend it, start blending. And now you can choose whatever you want to decorate it with. Banana, strawberry, anything. Have fun!
I'll be proactive, choose and take responsibilities. I'll show respect to others in their properties. All set goals put first things first and do what I'm assigned. My attitude will be win-win with safety rules in mind. I'll listen so I'll understand and follow all directions. I'll be responsible for my behavior and corrections. With teamwork I will soar as more and others synergize. I'll renew and sharpen up with power as my friends. All right, have a